The paradox of the orthodox. You understand? Come on,
Bars.
man. Come on now.
Bars.
Yeah, man. Still taking no talking fee for us. Still talking free for us. As you are, Pastor.
As you are.
No talking fee for us. Still talking free for
Free
us.
for us.
For us.
For us. That G126.
Yeah. We're talking free for us still.
Mm-hmm.
Some people don't make no exception for that. Talking fee. Gotta give them a talking fee for that.
You know what my time costs?
No talking fee for us. Still talking free
for us.
Per us. Per us.
For us.
Per us.
For us.
Come on. This thing of the celestial is not like the secular. I'm speaking to